Welcome back, YouTube family. We are back again with the vet over here. This is the SUBZERU vlogs. I got the car in quiet mode. It is come that time, y'all. We're about to drop off the car for phase 1 of my time attack Chevy C7 Z06 Z07R build for the car. Ooh, I got all the mods back here, y'all. We got the LG sway bars in here. We got the end links, the HDs in here from LG as well. We got the MGW short throw shifter. We got the tow hooks, and we have a bunch of other surprise mods that are going to be going on the car. So stay tuned. We're going to Excelsior Motorsports over near San Diego, California. We're about to take this thing to go ahead and get it done, and I am so excited. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. Don't follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Everyone have a great day, blessed day. Let's get it. Peace. So I also got the Tractive RTS shocks here. It's kind of cool, the orange matches the color. That's pretty cool, they're even orange to match the CO6 is dope. Like I was saying in the last video, we're going to be installing the Perrin Fender Shrouds on both sides of the car. So I'll give you guys a quick little walk around or an overview of the engine bay. So this is the Grimspeed top mount intercooler from Grimspeed. I recommend it. It's the best top mount you guys can definitely do for your Subarus. I have had amazing results from this, very reliable and great power gains. Keeping with the Perrin, got the Perrin charge pipe here in red, got the Cobb big SF big intake here, the Torque Solutions pulley cover right here, got the Optima red battery, got the Mishimoto radiator with also the red pipings on the top and the bottom. Also have the Perrin equal length headers underneath here. So I have a lot of experience with Perrin. Perrin does a great job with their products. They fit very great. I think that's one of the most underrated parts about Perrin. Their products, I've had no fitment issues, and I'm sure that these Perrin Fender Shrouds are going to be the exact same way. I also have the TGV deletes from Mishimoto as well, and the EGR deletes from IAG. Lastly, I do have the Cobb down pipe or J pipe. It is catted but non-resonated, and I have a Tomei catback exhaust system, and that is what is in the engine bay to make it this way and underneath the exhaust system. Woo! Let's go and open up this and show y'all exactly the reason why I know y'all clicked on this video. And oh my gosh, like look at this. Let me set this down. Let me set this down. Woo! Woo! I'm not sure if y'all can tell, but this red, oh my gosh, this looks so good, man. This looks fantastic. This is absolutely fantastic. So it's gonna go in here. Oh man, look at that. That's gonna be so clean. But this is gonna look so good when I get this in. This is not a difficult install. It's gonna be very simple. Perrin does a great job of giving you the products here. Even tells you exactly what you need. It's got the fender shrouds, it's got the rivets, it's got the washers, and ultimately you're gonna go ahead and just install it in essentially bolt to bolt, rivet to rivet, washer to washer, and hole to hole, and there you get it. So let's go ahead and get it installed. Alright y'all, so what I wanted to do is go ahead and put some new tabs in here just so everything's nice and tight, nice and right, and nice and flush for the car. As you guys can see, I've already gotten this in on this side. Not difficult at all. Perrin does a great job of giving you kind of like a walkthrough guide. So, you know, some of these are obviously some tabs I'm doing on the engine bay to make everything just tighter and put some newer, better materials and stuff on. But with the Perrin, they give you a nice walkthrough guide. So they tell you exactly how to do it, you know, with the rivet nut, rivet tool, washer, the M5 screw. You want to use that to make everything tight and to overall make it flush. So then when you go and put it on here, you can go and tighten everything down. So then this tells you exactly how to put it on. And lastly, it should look just like that, which is basically bam, just like that. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys exactly how this looks and how easy it is. It does not take much to do. It's not too difficult to do. I'm just doing a few other extra stuff, but overall, as you can see, this is how that side's gonna look. I have to put that on, and then this is how this side looks. So Instacart today, Audi R8.
Pretty lit. Pretty lit.
But overall, this is how it's looking. Oh man, it looks so good, man. It looks so good. I'm just really excited for how the engine and the car is just starting to shape up now. Overall, one more time, shout out to Perrin. Great product. Absolutely love your guys' products. Keep doing what you're doing. The fitment on all these parts are just flush. Look at this. Like, look at that. Look at this fitment. It is fantastic, man. It fits great. And overall, I am so satisfied and so happy with this product and what you can get for the price you're getting with Perrin. But overall, just want to show y'all exactly how this is looking. The fitment is fantastic. Oh man, just look at this. Look how clean that fitment is. Look at that. Oof. Boosted Performance, thank you so much for the hookup on these Perrin Fender Shrouds. Again, one more time, guys, go ahead and check out the link below. 10% off. 10% off these Fender Shrouds. 10% off of a bunch of Subaru products at Boosted Performance with my code down below. Oh man, but just look at this engine bay now. Oof. Look at the car. Look at the red. Overall, I love this car, man. Now definitely the red halo horns just definitely match the engine bay, which then matches the wheels and turn. Oh man, that red accents just look fantastic with the carbon hood. Man, I am just in, I just still can't believe this is my car, y'all. This is my car, man. Well, anyway, I just want to make a quick video for you guys to give you guys a quick update on the Subaru. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you don't follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. And like I always keep saying, y'all, go after your dreams and make them reality. Have a great day, a blessed day. Peace.